Hey guys, I'm just on the tail end of this awesome build. I got a Chevy truck here behind me, 6.2 litre ZR2 Chevy Silverado. Awesome bit of kit. And who better to hook up with Manta exhaust and put their new flash looking stainless steel exhaust system on it to make it rumble. Now we're going to be heading off very shortly, as soon as I can get this build done, to season 15 of All for Adventure. All right, mate, get in and start this sucker up. Yeah, that's it. That's what you want to hear, the rumble. Yeah, no, that sounds heaps better. That's awesome.